Have you ever wondered how websites actually work? You click on a link and bam! Everything just shows up. Images, text, videos. But have you ever stopped to think about what powers all that magic behind the scenes? Well, the secret behind it all is something as simple as HTML. Now, you might be thinking, what the heck is HTML? Well, don't worry, I'm about to break it down for you. HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. Yeah, I know it sounds fancy, but it's basically the reason we have websites in the first place. Without it, the internet would just be one giant mess of text. Imagine trying to read an article online, but everything is just one big blob of text. No paragraphs, no headings, no images, just one endless scroll of nonsense. Yeah, that's what would happen without HTML, the building block of the web. So why is it important? Think of HTML as the blueprint of every website you visit. It's the thing that tells your browser what goes where. Is it a heading, a paragraph, an image? HTML decides. It gives websites structure and meaning, turning chaos into something readable and useful. Now, why should we care about it? Well, HTML is literally the foundation of the web. Whether you're browsing social media, shopping online, or reading a blog, it's all powered by HTML. It's like the invisible hero that keeps everything in place. So, if you want to understand how the internet works, HTML is your first clue. Now, here's the interesting part. When did all of this start? HTML wasn't always here. In fact, it was created back in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. Yes, the same genius who invented the World Wide Web. He needed a way to share documents between computers, and that's when HTML was born. At the time, it was a simple concept, just a few tags to organize content. But as the internet grew, HTML grew with it, evolving into the essential building block of everything we see online today. And that's how something as simple as HTML powers the entire web. So this was what, why, when about HTML. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.